The mass joining program was organized at the headquarters of BJP East Karbi Anglong on 12 July, where the Saffron Party welcomes more than 210 families from Indian National Congress and APHLC to their party at the mass joining event on Tuesday. On this mass joining event held at the headquarters of BJP East Karbi Anglong, prominent leader from the Congress Party, Sarjeng Ingti, son of Khorsing Ingti, ex-minister government of Assam, could be seen embracing the Saffron Party with his colleagues at the event.
Congress candidate Sidam nili ada bangke hybrid lo sidam nili ni dak disipilo bangke join bangke ini remdet ajoni pensi ke bangke kali nitum dak district congress lo nitum ketaman kichiun ketaman lam kechok je ketaman niom niti la hai nitum ni ching samse ajoni se nang kidum nakaman nitum non chui sam ke dam ta election hutta nitum korkan thi mondol congress committee ala aphan ke dotanga budi tuma track record bang mewe ajone nilitung da district long da dam lo has state long to alam palo je election of khang sitame nilitung la nitung da korkan thi mondol congress committee along nitung abudi nang la pinang ji puri nitung sun nei lo siname thang ta latung addition mane alama important na pinten ang nitung la pusinang la le lo last banga election of vote nilitikan long na phi bangke abudi tung bang la Mondola body tumbangke kapre kapati dunjo jone miri tumbala su tibo bolo.
Likewise, the villagers who were recently evicted from Rongpangthir 4-kilometer Dipu joins BJP due to their satisfaction and well pleased to the authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council under the leadership of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, for allotting new land and also furnishing compensation to rebuild their houses.
Party asile Congress Party Praton Montri Khorsing
Sir, 5 किलो election होइছিলে लोगों को किबा सर किबा काउंसिलर होबा किबा हेरि दिबने
एलोग আজি গুটেখিনি যোগদান কৰিছে যোৱাবাৰ তেওঁলোকে এপিএলচি আছে আৰু কনসিল তৰফৰ পৰা আমি টেকালিন হাই দিওঁ 1 লাখ টকা আৰু King Sari Mandirot Aro Matio Cardinal Thomas Council for
It was reported that many party workers left their former party due to unfaithful and incompetent party ideology from the party. In this mass joining program, Horen Singh Bay MP, Bidya Singh Ingleng MLA, Rup Singh Teron MLA, Dor Singh Ronghang MLA, Raju Tiso, Chairman Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Don Singh Teron, President BJP East Karbi Anglong, and many important dignitaries from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and BJP attended the program. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.